What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel at Home and Farm with Doughty, where we bring authentic content on homesteading, homemaking, and much more that you want to hear. So today it is a cozy morning and we are happy. We woke up. Everything is cool here. It's a cool weather. We enjoying everything. And we just wanted to bring you this wonderful vlog. We want to feed our birds. We want to show you what we did yesterday and just discuss with you. Yeah, that's right. Discuss with you everything about our poultry farm. Karibu sana, thanks for tuning in. Keep subscribing. This is your first time on my channel. Subscribe. Like I say, subscribe. Like the video to share it with a bigger audience. At the same time, leave a comment down below. Stay below. Okay, guys, let's get to the video. Welcome to At Home and Farm with Doughty. So the first so we are opening for our birds, our small chicks. They're about 13. And we need to remove their feeder. We want to feed them together with the rest.
Usually keep for them first so they cannot confuse themselves there with the big chicken, so they cannot start.
My baby here wants to carry the feeder as well. So she's fighting. You see her hand over there? So right now we are going to take the food so that we put for them in their feeding area. I already showed you the designated area for feeding. So we are going to take the food there for all the birds. Ella, wait. Ella, wait. You've closed.
You're supposed to close them.
There you go. I want to put you in the camera.
I'm going to the drink of it.
See, wait, dog.
I'm going to the drink of it. Sorry, I'm going to go before you. The chickens are running for the food.
Ella, check it over there. You are putting there nothing. Here is not good. There is no rain today. Peleka huko. Hali pazuri pako flat.
After preparing the food for the chicken in the other feeder,
Down for the chicks.
That's
You
for
need
the
to
kids.
keep this one there because you cannot add food where this one is on top.
Because the food will just slide off.
So we have 3 feeding points for the birds.
One in the middle, one here.
There,
Just next to us,
1, 2, and that at the center. Then we have drinkers there. We have another one over there. But behind the house also we have some drinkers.
I was saying this thing we need to keep. We are going to keep it there. The next day we pick it, we cover the food for the chickens after Pungugan. Just like that. And then now, the chicken that if you see a chicken who's the mother running there that way, it means that she wants to eat very badly, so she can lay more eggs. And mom, take me a video.
So yesterday we did some cleaning of our chicken coop and we cleaned this whole place.
Mom, use
I
sawdust.
just want to tell you what we used and how we did it. So one thing you need to do is to make sure that the chicken coop is dry at all times, and to absorb the moisture from the chicken coop you have to use some sawdust so that it helps the chicken coop to remain dry, and then it falls down on the side here, and that is where we were collecting the manure from yesterday. So what we did, we scraped off most of the dry
with the
chicken,
spade.
The dry droppings, and we made sure the place was spotless.
And
then we added some ash, and then we added some sawdust.
And then we scooped it.
That is what you need to do when you are cleaning the chicken coop. So you make sure that it is not wet, because if it is wet, it will affect the birds and they will be eaten with some worms and some diseases. So we often do this like in 2 weeks. 2 weeks is enough, a major cleanup, but you can even have it weekly if you choose to. So this is our main chicken coop, and we have the other one, the other side, that is smaller, that we are keeping the small birds. So right down there we just finished everything. So this is fresh chicken droppings we cleared. We have put a mabati down there so that it can help to pick up these the droppings, and we use it in our garden for farming. So let me just show you how we did. We really tried to clean this place. It looks good. It doesn't look very dirty as it was. This is fresh sawdust, as you can see here. This is fresh sawdust that we put, and ash. Okay, so cleanliness is something that you cannot really avoid. You can't do shortcuts with chicken, because they need to be clean, dry, and neat because of hygiene, and you don't want your chicken dying. Okay, guys, so you can see there's some ash. I don't know if you can see inside here. We have put some ash on the platform so that the birds can just be. It also helps to kill germs. When I was growing up, we used to use ash to wash even the toilet. I want to go to my garden to take some veggies for my birds. It is something that I am used to giving them, because nutrition is very important for your birds. If you want good egg production, if you want quality eggs, and you want healthy poultry or chicken or birds, so it is something that I'm used to. Let me take with me. I show you the pieces that I take. Usually I take, guys, the homestead of everything plus flies. Okay, so I bring the bird leaves, okay, and some other green. Sometimes I feed them with purple leaves. Everything goes for me as long as it is green material. So let us go. What we brought here, this is a manure from the chicken, from the birds. It's doing so well. We will use this to overhaul our garden, like I told you, and there's more there for the cow and the goat, and all will be well. It shall be done. Enoch. So literally I just cut these like I will do my veggies. So the leaves I've already given them, so these hard stalks I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Sorry about that, into smaller pieces. In other words, you can shred them for ease of feeding.